Hello students, Mr. Jen here. Welcome to Chapter 13 Review Day. We've covered a lot of topics in this chapter. It was a very fun-filled chapter. We have the U.S. gaining most of what is to become the continental United States through one means or another, be it war or negotiation. We've got Texas, California, Oregon, New Mexico, Utah, places like that. As always, I suggest you take a look at the chapter, maybe read through it one more time, take a look at the study guide. Can answer all those questions, you're probably in pretty great shape. It is Current Event Thursday, so don't forget to knock that out. It's a good day for that because it's a study day. You don't have anything else to do. And there's an essay question on this test. It is in regards to the beginning of the Mexican-American War. So it would behoove you to know all about that so you can formulate an opinion about it. I added a happy little video here from Crash Course in History, and it does a good job of covering a lot of what we went over in this chapter. So take a look at that if you want to help review, maybe learn a little something that we didn't learn in our textbook. Alright, that's it. Go ahead and knock out your current event today, get a little studying in, and test tomorrow. Good luck, and then we'll be moving on to the next chapter. Alright, have a great day, and let me know if you need me.